Niue's fish factory has laid dormant for some time now, and the status of government's joint venture with Reef Group remains unclear. However, this week there has been some movements in and around the fish factory. What is puzzling, however, is that work around the factory has involved dismantling and packing equipment for shipping offshore, creating suspicions of Reef Group pulling out altogether. Reassurances from Reef representative Kevin Ansell says that they are packing some of the main equipment that is rusting away, and it will be utilised in some of the operations in New Zealand. He says equipment within the factory will remain, and there has also been some local interest in purchasing one of their vehicles, but what they are returning is what will not be required here and will be better utilised in other operations. Kevin is on the island this week to pack up equipment, but any talk of future arrangements and developments of the fish factory remain with the government and Reef Group. We were unable to get a comment from government on the status of the fish factory, but we hope to bring you more on this story at a later date.